For today I am going to solve the MCQs of Tabarak private school student. Solved MCQs for grade 7th. The first MCQs is about the sum of two integers is 75 if one of them is 42, the other is the given option is A 32, B 107, the option C is minus 33 and option D is 32. Explanation: let us consider the x plus y is equal to 75 according to given condition. The given condition is sum of two integers. It means that sum of two integers x plus y that is equal to 75 and one of them is 42. So let us consider x is equal to 42 plus y is equal to 75. So 42 shift on other side, it will be negative. So 75 minus 42, that is 33. So the y is equal to 32. The final answer of MCQs number 1 is 33. Option A is correct. MCQs number 2, the sum of two integers is minus 45 if one of them is minus 25, the other is, the given option is A minus 70, B is 20, C is minus and D is 30 minus 30. Explanation: let us consider according to given condition x plus y is equal to minus 45. So let the first number is minus 25 according to given condition. So we put x is equal to minus 5 plus y is equal to minus 45. So this minus 45 minus 25 shift on other side, it will be positive. So y is equal to minus 45 plus 25. So y is equal to minus 20. So the final answer of question MCQs number 2 is B, option is correct, minus 20. MCQs number 3, the sum of two integers is 0 if one of them is minus 8, the other is, the given option is option A minus 8, option B 0 minus option C is 8 and option D is minus 16. Explanation: according to given condition x plus y is equal to 0 because sum of these integer is 0, that's why x plus y is equal to 0. So one of them is minus 8, so we put x is equal to minus 8 plus y is equal to 0 and this minus 8 shift on other side, it will be positive. So y is equal to 8. The final answer of MCQs number 3 is C, option is correct, that is equal to 8. MCQs number 4, the solution of the equation x plus 4 is equal to 9 is the required option A 5, B minus 5, C 13 and D is minus 13. Explanation: the given equation is x plus y is equal to 9, x plus 4 is equal to 9 and this 4 shift on other side, it will be negative. So y plus 9 minus 4, x is equal to 5, 9 minus 4 that is equal to 5. So the x is equal to 5. The final answer of MCQs number 4 is 5. So option A is correct. MCQs number 5, the solution of the equation to x is equal to 14 is, the given option is, option A is 7, option B is 6, option C is 14 and option D is 12. Explanation: so the given equation is 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 14 divided by 2, okay, and after divide with 2 14 we get 7. So the final answer of MCQs number 5 is option A is correct, that is equal to 7. MCQs number 6. The solution of the equation x minus 3 is equal to minus 8 is. The required option are A is equal to minus 5, B 5 and C is minus 11 and D is 11. Explanation: according to the given equation x minus 3 that is equal to minus 8, so minus 3 shift on other side, it will be positive, so x is equal to minus 8 plus 3, so x is equal to minus 5. So the final answer of MCQs number 6 is A. A option is correct, that is equal to minus 5. MCQs number 7. 0.045 multiply 0.6. Required option are A is A 0.0270, B is 0.0275, C is 0.0255 and D is not, means nothing of them. Explanation: so 0 multiply 0 for 5 multiply with 0.6, that is equal to, first of all we multiply with 6, 6 multiply by 5 we get 30, 30 required 0, we put 0 and 4 and 3 is carry on the upper side of 4. So 6 multiply by 4 we get 24, 24 plus 3 that is equal to 27. So write 7. So 6 multiply 0, 2 is carry, so write only 2. So put point here and 6 multiply by 0 and 0. Now we multiply with 0. After multiply with 0 we get 0 0 and add up these values we get 0.270. So the final answer of MCQs number 7 is A option is correct, 0.0270. MCQs number 8, that is equal to 0.008 multiply 0.25. The required option are option A is 0.002, option B is 0.0025 and option C 0.0024 and D is none, means nothing of them. Explanation: so 0.008 multiply with 0.25, after multiply with 5 we get 0. After multiplying we get 0.0040 and then multiply with 2 we get 0.0160 and at the end we multiply with 0, we get all of them 0 and add up of these values we get 0.00200. So the final answer of MCQs number 8 is option A is correct, that is equal to 0.002. MCQs number 9. 0.123 multiply 0.4. The required options are 0.0429, option B is 0.0522 and option C is 0.0486 and option D is none. Explanation: first of all 0.123 multiply with 0.4, first of all we multiply with 4 we get 0.429, after it multiply with 0 we get all of them 0 and add up these values we get 0.042492. The required the final answer of MCQs number 9 option A is correct, that is equal to 0.042492. MCQs number 10. 24.4 divide with 500. The given option is option A is 0.049, B is 0.0049, C is 0.49 and D is 0.005. Explanation. So 24.5 divided with 5, first of all we shift this point on this side, we put 0.0 and this will be equal to 245. This is less than 500, so put another 0 is here, that is so put here 0. After putting these two 0, we multiply with 4 multiply with 500, we get 2000. So minus these values, we get 400 and 4500. So after this we multiply with 9, we get 4500. Okay, minus these values we get 00. So the final answer of question number 10 is option A is correct, that is equal to 0.049. MCQs number 11. 9.72 divide 300. The required option are option A is 0.00324, option B is 0.03324 and option C is 3.24 and option D is 0.324. Explanation. First of all, we divide these values. So 3 here is 9, so we shift this point on right side, the first move and second move. So we move 2 point on the right side, so we put 0.0. so we multiply with 3 multiply with 300, we get 900. After subtraction we get 72, to put 0 because 72 is less than 500. So to 720, we if we multiply 2 with 6 with 300, we get 600. After subtraction we get only 120. And after this we multiply with 4 multiply 300, we get 120, minus these values we get 0. So the final answer of MCQs number 11 is option A is correct, that is equal to 0.00324. option A is correct. MCQs number 12. 44.6 divided with 800. The required option are A. Option A is 0.057. Option B is 0.0056. Option C is 0.06 and option D is 0.00056. Explanation. We divide these values. 44.6 divided with 8. First of all we move this point on right side, so it will put so after moving this point, we put 0.0 and multiply with 5 multiply with 8, we get 4000 and subtract this, we get 5600. After this we multiply with 6, we get 5600. We subtract these values, we get 0000. So the final answer of MCQs number 12 is option A is correct, 0.057. MCQs number 13. The order of rotational symmetry of a square is. The required option are option A is 2, option B is 3, option C is 4 and option D is 5. Explanation for square. Because Here is the we tell us about the rotational symmetry of square. For square, the first condition is a square look the same after being rotated by 90 degree, 180 degree, 270 degree and 360 degree. The second condition are this means it match its original position 4 times during a full rotation. So the final answer of MCQs number 13 is 4. MCQs number 14. The order of rotational symmetry of a regular pentagon is, the given option are 5, option D is 4, option C is 3 and option D is 2. Explanation. For a pentagon, regular pentagon, a regular pentagon has 5 equal sides and angle. It look the same after being rotated by, if we divide 360 divided with 5, we get 72, and at every multiple of 72, that is equal to 72 degree, 144 degree, 260 degree, 288 degree, and at the end 360 degree. So the final answer of MCQs 14 is 5. It means pentagon means 5, so it is equal to 5. MCQs number 15. The order of rotational symmetry of a circle is, the required option A, the options are A is 1, B is infinite, C is 4 and D is none. Explanation. For a circle looks exactly the same at every possible angle of rotation. This means the circle has infinite rotational symmetry because it matches its original position an unlimited number of times as it rotates. So the MCQs number 15, the final answer is B is correct, that is equal to infinite. MCQs number 16. What is the 12th term of the sequence? The given sequence is 3, 7, 11 up to so on. Required options. Option A is 47, option B is 51 and option C is 49 and option D is 45. Explanation. The common difference is 4, means that 7 minus 3, that is equal to 4. So this 4 multiply with 12. Why we multiply with 12? Because we find the 12th term. So 12th multiply with 4, that is equal to 48, and this 48 minus with 1, that is equal to 47. Why we minus with 1? Because the series is starting with 3, not with 4, because the common difference is 4. So the series not starting with 4. That's why we subtract minus 1. 48 minus 1, that is equal to 47. The final options and of MCQs number 16 is option A is correct, that is equal to 47. MCQs number 17. What is the 8th term of the sequence? The required sequence is 5, 10, 15 up to so on. The required options. Options A is 45, option B is 40, option C is 35 and option D is 30. Explanation. The common difference is 5. 10 minus 5, that is equal to 5, and this 5 multiply with 8 because we find the 8th term. 8 multiply with 5, that is equal to 40. So the final answer of MCQs number 16 is B. So B option is correct, that is equal to 40. MCQs number 18. What is the 15th term of the sequence 4, 12, 20 up to so on. The required options are: option A is 160, option B is 212, option C is 118, and option D is 120. Explanation: the common difference is 8. 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8, and this 8 multiply with 15. 15 multiply with 8, we get 120, and this 120 minus with 4. Why we minus with 4? Because the series is starting with 4, not starting with 8. So that why 8 minus 4 we get 4. That why we subtract 4. 120 minus 4, that is equal to 160. So the options A is correct. Option A is 116. MCQs number 19. The equation x is equal to 5 represent. The given options are: option A is vertical, option B is horizontal, option C is neither, and option D is none. Explanation: the equation x is equal to 5 represent a vertical line on the coordinate plane where the values of x is always 5 regardless of the values of y. So x is equal to 5, that is equal a vertical line. So the final answer is A. The A option is correct, that is equal to vertical. MCQs number 20. The equation y is equal to 7 represent. Option A is vertical, option B is horizontal, option C is neither, and option D is none. Explanation: the equation y is equal to 7 represent a horizontal line, okay, on the coordinate plane where the value of y is always 7 regardless of the values of x. So the final answer is horizontal line. The MCQs number 20, the correct option is B, that is equal to horizontal. MCQs number 21. The equation x is equal to minus 2 represent. The given options are vertical, horizontal, neither, and D is none. Explanation: the equation x is equal to minus 2 represent a vertical line. If the equation is given x, that is equal to vertical line. If the given equation is y, that is equal to horizontal line. So again is vertical, again is x, so the line is vertical. So represent a vertical line on the coordinate plane where the values of x is always minus 2 regardless of the values of y. The final answer of MCQs 21 is option A is correct, that is equal to vertical. MCQs number 22. A ratio equivalent to 4.5 is: option A is 8:4, option B is 12:18, option C is 6:9, and option D is 10:15. Explanation: we explain for option A. Option A is 8:10. So divide with 2, we get 4:5, and option B is 12:18. Divide with 6, so we get 2:3. Option C is 6:9. Divide with 3, we get 2:9, and option D is 10:15. Divide with 5, we get 2:3. So these, the option B and option C and option D has same values, so except one, only one, that is equal to A. So the final answer is option A is correct, that is equal to 8:10. The last MCQ is 23. The ratio equivalents to 2.2:3 is the given. Option A 5:8, option B is 4:6, option C is 6 ratio 10, and option D is 8 ratio 15. Explanation: option A is 5 ratio 8. The 5 ratio 8 does not equal to same number, so this is same. Option B is 4 ratio 16. So these two numbers divide with 2, we get 2 ratio 3. Option C is 6 ratio 10 divide, so these number divide with 2, we get 3 ratio 5. And option D is 8 ratio 14. 8 ratio 14, these two number divide with 2, we get 4 ratio 7. So that is answer. So the 2 ratio 3 give only 2 options. So option B gives same answer. So the final answer of MCQs number 23, that is equal to B. The B option is 4 ratio 7. Thank you very much. If you face any problem during this section, you will also be contact with me on my comment sections. I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.